guys, welcome to the amazing platform of text Sunjay. Today you will discuss the WhatsApp font style. Topic is WhatsApp font style. In this topic you will see how to change the WhatsApp font style. That's increase our enthusiasm for chatting, increase your design of chatting. That is text is bold, italic. Okay, then let's begin. I will do everything in practical. Okay, first of all open our WhatsApp application. Okay, then select the chat which we want to chatting, and the trick for chatting is type anything. Suppose I type hi. This is normal chat. Okay, we will send it, and the next trick is you can bold it. Select that chat and you will see a option will display cut, copy, paste, and fourth option is bold. You can click on bold option. You will see our text become bold. Then you can click on send button. You will see the text is bold. Next trick is hello. Okay, select that chat and click on next button. That is, you will click on first option, that is italic. Click on italic and then send. You will say our letter become italic. Next is how are you. Okay, select that chat and click on next button and click on straight through. Straight through means it will cross your letter. You will see this straight through is featured when anything becomes wrong. Okay, next is are you fine. Select that chat, click on next button and then click on next button and you will click on mono space and send it. You will see this letter become mono. How it looks like. Okay, you can chat easily. Okay, thank you.